Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys that have a Ford F-150 generation from year 2009 guys to year 2014. If you need to find where the fuse is for the oxygen sensor heaters guys, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. If you have a problem with heated oxygen sensors or a code relating to that, check that fuse always guys. We'll explain where the fuse is located, where to buy cheap fuses from, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So specifically, we're going to demonstrate right here guys on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation, the video may be helpful. When you open the hood on your Ford F-150 guys, once you open the hood, right above the radiator, you will see your fuse box. And when you open that fuse box, you're going to see guys, your fuses, they will be just like that, facing them this way. You can see that's the back side of the fuse box towards the windshield, that's where the relays are, and you will be facing these fuses. So before we continue, let's explain guys something. Those fuses and relays could be really expensive at the parts store because there are specific fuses and relays. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see guys, those are the fuses. Where is the fuse for the oxygen sensor heater? If you come in that row right here of fuses guys, that row right here, starting from the very left, even if you have a missing fuse, you count it, 1, 2, that 20 amp fuse, this is known as fuse number 76. That's the fuse guys for the heated oxygen sensor. That fuse is very important for the engine as well. It's for the VCT solenoid, MUF sensor, intake air temperature sensor, the purge valve, and multiple other components. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.